When you're thinking of planting in shade, then first thing to consider is the actual amount of shade that you have. Sometimes we think that because it's maybe a north-facing garden, it's automatically in very deep shade, but chances are it isn't. So consider how the light changes from hour to hour and from day to day, and whether it's a sunny day or a cloudy day, because the amount of shade then will change. And the range of plants that you need for those conditions will change depending on the light levels that you have in your particular area. Also, if you're going to plant in very heavy shade, give the plants the best chance that you can to succeed. Improve the soil with enriched compost. Make sure you water well until they're established, but if you choose the right plant for the right place, once they're established, they usually 9 times out of 10 will look after themselves.